Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this week I have I'm not sure when this video will go up, but me and my sister decided to go on a keto diet, and I realized it's very popular and just happening on YouTube at the moment. I researched it a little bit and thought I would give it a go, and then obviously like document the process and share it with you guys. So we're actually starting keto on Monday next week, and in preparation for it we ordered some things from iHerb. Make sure my address is not on there, as well as just some other snacks from other places. So I'm just going to show you those for maybe ideas, or maybe you're just curious to see what I will be eating. So this is something I got from Costco. It's the Atkins chocolate coconut caramel nut chew bars. So they're supposed to be low sugar and low carb. The caramel nut chew bar has 141 calories, 5 grams of protein, 8 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of sugar. And then the chocolate coconut one has 179 calories, 4.8 grams of protein, 12 grams of fat, 2.8 grams carbs, and 0.9 grams of sugar. Then from iHerb we got, what do we have in here? I have no idea how to pronounce this. Erythritol, I don't know, that one there. It's got 0 calories. It's great for reduced calorie and sugar-free recipes. So I guess we'll just be doing some recipes with that one. We also got MCT oil. Anyone who is on a keto diet will tell you that this is their staple in their diet. So you're supposed to mix it into smoothies, shakes, coffees, and other beverages. Then we also have this one's for my sister. It's a BCAA. I think it's like her pre-workout or something. We'll just leave that one. And I don't know why we also got, why do I need this? Then we also got these collagen peptides, which isn't really like a keto diet thing. It's just something to try out for strengthening skin, hair, and nails. Yeah, I guess that wasn't really a lot of snacks, but I thought I'd make a start on vlogging my experience with keto. I'll see you guys in the next clip. It might be another day. Could be the same. You're in the kitchen. We're twisting like a stir fry.
So today we are making a keto eggplant lasagna dish. So it's basically eggplant and cheese. I'll show the cheese as well in 1 sec. We have mozzarella cheese, and we have the Parmesan cheese. Parmigiano.
Do you want to show them what we got today?
Yes, Parmigiano.
Why with your finger?
Cut myself. Shopped at Aldi mostly.
No, we didn't.
A lot.
We bought like one thing from Aldi.
The cheeses and the meats came from there.
Not really.
The cheeses and the meats came from Aldi, and so this is the sauce. So
Got the sauce.
it came from this one. It's the pasta sauce. So it's
That's
basically
from the veggie shop.
We got this from the veggie shop.
Yes.
Veggie shop, whatever.
That's where we did most of our shopping today.
So this one's basically going to be the eggplants. If you see over here, it's gonna, I don't think it's cooking very well here, but I'm just gonna,
coconut, I think we're using ghee.
I did use ghee, but it's all gone now, so I'm just gonna spray it with a little bit of this so it's nice and moist. Before this I sweated the eggplants.
How'd you do that?
Which is when you salt the eggplant and you just let it sit for like half an hour, and that's how it sweats.
Get this.
That's what I did before.
And those are the sheets. Lasagna
So these
sheets.
are the lasagna sheets. and that's dinner for tomorrow. So this makes serving of 4. So yeah, and I've calculated macros for it as well. So yeah,
Okay.
just measure everything out. So it's about 200 grams of the pasta sauce, and it was about I used about 10 grams of the ghee.
In the kitchen, raised twisting like a stir fry.
About 150 grams of that cheese.
Mozzarella. It's a lot of cheese.
So exactly 150 grams of that cheese, and then
What about the parmesan?
we're gonna shape that. Just open this one up.
Do you want me to open it? Oh, that looks good.
Oh yes, 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 yes. I will zero the scale. Okay, and then we're gonna grate the cheese in here. About 50 grams of that Parmesan.
When you go to the restaurant and they're like, tell me when. And you just never say when because
This
cheese
is
dry.
aged Parmigiano. Technical difficulty, it wasn't registering the weight of that cheese, so now we got it. Just grating next to
Cheesing next to cheese. Gotta get those shots, you know. Say 50 grams. We learned how expensive cheese and meat is today. We learned how expensive cheeses and meats are today. We try to buy scallops. It's $60 a kilo.
40.
No, the other one, the good one, the fresh one was 60. Okay, so we've got beef.
Minced beef happening. So I decided to put meat in the eggplant lasagna just because there wasn't any meat in it and I didn't feel like it's going to be very filling. So I'm adding a little bit of the meat in there.
And what'd you put in
I've
this?
just added a liquid smoke in there to make it all nice and smoky. We will not add any onions to this. So just gonna keep it simple. Added this and a little bit of seasoning. I added this one.
It's not focusing.
And I added a little bit of this lemon and pepper barbecue seasoning. It's just gonna be very smoky.
People gonna be like, why you gonna rug in your kitchen? Because we're Persian. Puppy.
And then while this is happening, so before,
Sorry.
So before this, I cooked bacon and egg in there for my breakfast tomorrow.
Show us your breakfast.
It's my breakfast tomorrow. Egg and bacon and spinach in there. So basically when I didn't cook that with any added fat in there, so it was basically the bacon fat. And the remainder of that is in here. So the pan still has bacon fat in there.
Delicious.
That's what I'm cooking with. Look at this. So much fat.
What about the ghee?
I only use the ghee to cook the eggplants. So I haven't added any more ghee to these. So it's all bacon fat at this point. There's no added, I can't.
What else you got?
When I did my research, I did find that you don't have to add, like reach your maximum fat that you're allowed in a day. But what I do know is that you can't go over the carbs. And another thing is that if you're having something that's high fiber, you can deduct that from the amount of carb that you're having. I'll go into a little bit more detail on that later on when I have the example of that, but I don't at this moment.
Education for y'all. No, my head.
So what happens? What happened with this one is, I think this one's okay. I don't know if Is this okay? Is this okay? Or does it need to be smaller? I don't know. I can't.
Yeah, you can't really do much at this point.
So I'm making cloud bread, which
What that mean?
instead of it means it's just like a really fluffy keto friendly.
What are
keto
these?
bread. Don't worry about that. So basically instead of flour, so basically what the cloud bread is just like this fluffy bread, but it's not, there's no flour in it. There's almond milk that I've used in here. I've used the cheddar cheese, shaved cheddar cheese in there. Shaved cheddar cheese in there, and bacon powder and some Mexican chili powder as well. And then the wet ingredients are 1 egg.
So basically, egg is a huge staple.
And cheese. And then I'm gonna put in a tablespoon of heavy cream. This is thickened cream.
I heard you can put that in your coffee too.
I don't want that. I'm just gonna get a tablespoon, and so it's thickened cream. Alright, that looks about right. So we just put this one in here.
Are your fingers clean?
My fingers are clean. I've been cooking.
Where's twisted like a stir fry?
So I've got our patties. Now, what we want to do is put it in the oven. Could you open the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius? And I'm going to start assembling the lasagna.
What you got there?
So now I'm assembling the lasagna. So basically what you want to do is you want to put a little bit of that and just like a little bit of everything in here as well. Smell that smokiness.
I don't think they can smell it.
I'm talking about you.
Oh yeah, I can.
And then we put a little bit of sauce in there.
What about the cheese?
Yeah, in a minute.
You should put some water on it. In
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So we dilute it a little bit with water. So it's a bit more like saucy. Cheese. You want to put the cheese in there like that.
Like a dab.
Like a that. Like a that, not that. And then a little bit of the Parmigiano.
Why do you say that word like that?
Because it's Parmigiano.
Why are you holding your sleeve like that?
Like Versace. You know?
Why are you holding your sleeve like that?
Oh, so it doesn't go in there. You know what I'm saying? Know what I mean? Alright, and then next we want to put the pomegranate eggplants, like so.
That's a luxury you cannot have.
What?
Pomegranates.
Oh yeah, true. High carb. I wouldn't say sugar so much, but. And then we'll just put this in there. Like that.
Looks dry.
That's why the cheese is in there. It's gonna make it all creamy and nice.
It's gonna make it creamy. Where's your bechamel?
This is bechamel.
What?
This is the bechamel for this.
Mm.
Alright. And then we get in there with a little bit of meat.
You only have one more layer. You might use like half of that.
No, I want to put it at the top.
Yes. I said use half of it.
Yeah. You don't want to put too much at the bottom layer because then
Then what?
it gets stuck to the bottom, I find.
How many times have you cooked lasagna?
I'm not a big fan of lasagna. It's too
many layers?
Too many layers and cheese, and I don't like cheese. I'm hoping this doesn't give me diarrhea. And then we go in with the cheese.
I don't like cheese, she said.
I don't. I'm doing it for the vlog.
What?
Alright. Then we'll put the Parmigiano.
Please stop saying it like
That's
that.
how you get this. Layer. Let's get that in there. Oh. So this right here is 4 servings. So just gonna cut it up like that.
I want to know, what are those?
What are those?
These are some dead ass.
Alright, and then we are done with the lasagna and the Parmigiano in there.
Wait though.
Put the ghee away. I don't need it. And then gonna do some cleaning up. Let me see if I've got some dried herbs. So now this is going in the oven.
How many degrees?
Let me just check on the. Come look at the bread.
It looks cracked.
Has it been 15 minutes?
No.
So open this bitch up. Put this in.
How many minutes?
For what?
For the
lasagna?
Yeah. Did I put you on the spot?
Yeah.
How many degrees?
Let me give you that. Well, about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna take it out. It's 6:40 now, so I'm gonna take it out at 7 o'clock. The other ones I'll take out in about 5 minutes.
Alright.
Yeah.
Boo.
And that's
it? That's all we're
Oh
cooking?
no, yeah, I gotta assemble the lunch. But you gotta assemble when you're wanting to eat it.
Ah, cool.
Yeah. So.
Off from
But I have to assemble it now because I'm taking it with me tomorrow. So for that one, I need this and this assembling and a lettuce.
Just one?
Lettuce. Well, it doesn't fit anymore. So
I guess that's it? Meal prep?
I think so.
That's just one day though. You said you were gonna meal prep for the whole week.
Yeah, well, I didn't really have the time to cook up the meatballs and stuff.
Where's your rice?
Huh?
Where's your rice?
I don't have it.
Anyways, this vlog will continue tomorrow with me. Just me. I'm gonna show you my breakfast. Gonna show you how I make the bulletproof coffee. Oh, so you want? Same.
Cream cheese.
Same. Me and the cream cheese, same. So yeah. I'm gonna assemble the lunch, make bulletproof coffee in the morning. I'll show you all of that. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.